Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the rational numbers as decimals. Now coming to the worksheet 3. Express the following decimals as the rational numbers in the standard form. So in the examples you have understood how to convert the decimal into the rational number and then convert into the standard form. So 0.25. So 0.25 can be written as 25 by 2 decimal, therefore 100, 25 ones are, 25 fours are. The answer is 1 by 4. Now minus 0.052 minus, directly you write 52 and in the denominator 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal means 3 zeros, that is 1000. Now if we take the number 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 0 0, 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 5s are 10, 0. डायरेक्टली 4 का टेबल से भी कर सकते थे. 4 1s are 4, 1 remains, 4 3s are 12, 4 25s are 100 and 0. So 13 by 250. 13 is a prime number. So when 13 is there, the other number should be a multiple of 13. Then only it will be. Simplify. Now 7.50. 750 in the numerator. 2 decimal. So 2 zeros, that is 100. It is 1 0, 1 0 cut. 5 2s are, 5 1s are 5, 2 remains, 5 5s are 25. So the answer is 15 by 2. Sorry, in the earlier sum we have not put minus sign. Here we have put, but in the final answer we have not put the negative sign. It is a negative rational number. Please don't forget, okay? I'm sorry. Now it is minus 2.15. It is a minus 215 upon 2 decimals. So 2 zeros, that is 100. Now 5 and 0. So 5 2s are 10, 0. 5 4s are 20, 1 remains, 3s are 15. So answer is a minus 43 by 20. Okay. Now the fifth sum, 0.036. So 36 upon 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 zeros, 1000. Now 4 9s are, 4 25s are 100 and 0. So directly it will be 9 by 250. You can try with 2 and 2, otherwise directly 4. Now minus 9.6 minus 96, 1 decimal, so 10. So 2 5s are, 2 4s are 8, 1 remains, 8s are 16. So it will be negative 48 by 5, minus 48 by 5. Now the seventh sum, 31.25, 3125 upon 2 decimal. So 2 0, that is 100. 5 2s are 10, 0. 5 6 are 30, 1 remains, 2 are 10, 2 remains, 5 are 25, 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 2s are 10, 5s are 25. So the answer is 125 upon 4. Now the eighth sum, 16.32, 1632, 2 decimal, 2 zeros, that is 100. Now it is 2 5s, even 4 also you can take, isn't it? 1632, 4 का divisibility test याद है, last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. You know 100 is divisible by 4. So 4 25s are 4, 4s are 16, 3 is small, so 0. Now 3 and 2, 8s are. So 4 4s are 16, 4 zeros are 3. Take that 3 to the next digit, 3 to 32, 4 8s are 32. So that is why it is 408 upon 25. It is not 48, it is 408. Now coming to the last, 107, 3 decimal, so 3 zeros, that is 1000. 107 is a prime number, that's why this is the final. It is in the standard form. So we have completed question number 1, that is express the decimals as rational numbers in the standard form. Now coming to the second question, that is add the decimals. So here we will try the horizontal method only. So first you have to write 2.5 plus 7.51 plus 11.501. The biggest decimal place is 3 decimal place, so convert into like decimals. 500 plus 7.510 plus 11.501. 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 5 5 5 5 3s are 15 1 2 3 7 10 11 1 1 plus 1 2. So you have to start from the third decimal, second decimal, first decimal, ones, tens, hundreds, like that. Okay. Now the second sum, 12 plus, see, it is semicolon, 12, it is not the decimal place, remember, see the question properly. 5.96 plus 3.076. Here 3 decimal, 2 decimal, no. So 12.000 convert into 3 decimal place. 5.960 plus 3.076. 006 6 067 6 plus 7 13 1 0 9 10 0 10 1 2 3 8 9 10 11 1 plus 1 2 21.036. The third sum, 9.08 plus 19.76 plus 20.54. All are in the 2 decimal place. Directly you can do. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 1. 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 1. 9, 10, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4. 49.38. Now coming to the fourth, all are in the 3 decimals. So it is 3.009 plus 0.592 plus 14.745. Directly add 9 plus 2, 11 plus 5, 16, 1, 10, 14, 1, 6, 13, 1, 4, 8 and 1. Last is 19 plus 9.5 plus 12.06 plus 17.921. The biggest is the 3 decimal. So 19.000, 9.500, 12.060, 17.921. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 6, 2, 8, 0, 5, 0, 9, 5 plus 9, 14, 1, 1 plus 9, 10, 19, 20, 21, 21, 28, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you practice, it will be easy. It's not so difficult, okay? So you have to start from the right side. The third decimal, second decimal, first decimal, then ones, tens, hundreds. So we have completed question number 1 and 2. Hope everyone is confident of these topics. Bye. Thank you. All the best.